This is Perito Moreno Glacier, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. Located in Patagonia, Argentina, this massive wall of ice stretches 4 kilometers, rising like a frozen monument shaped by time. Every crack you hear, every movement you see, is a reminder that this glacier is alive. Standing here, you don't just see the glacier, you feel its power, its silence, and its scale. If moments inspire you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now take a moment and enjoy the raw beauty of Perito Moreno Glacier.